In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can set up a recurring or automatic investment in your Wealthsimple mobile app. So you want to select this little icon here at the bottom. Then you're going to select automations. Then select recurring investments. Then select set up a recurring investment. So from the search option, you can search for any stock, ETF and crypto that you want to set up a recurring investment for. So let's search for XLK. This is an ETF. Then select buy. Then select stocks. Specify the amount that you want to invest. Let's say $15. Specify your start date. Specify your frequency. From the drop down, you can choose daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So let's select monthly. Then you can choose your account. I only have one account available. Then select review. And then all you need to do is select confirm recurring investment. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.